Dorman Products Top Parts Overview Video, a monthly announcement on new formerly dealer-only parts. This month's featured OE FIX is our new engine water pump for popular BMW applications from 2013 to 2006. Original engine water pumps typically fail due to high coolant temperatures, causing damage to internal electronic circuitry. Dorman's OE FIX solution provides a redesigned electronic board that includes an upgraded microcontroller designed to handle a higher current level and better withstand high temperatures. Additionally, this completely remanufactured engine water pump design includes all new bearings, O-rings, and seals for a complete installation. Our growing category of airbag Clocksprings now offers coverage for a large population of Chevy and GMC models from 2012 to 2007. With over 60 SKUs available in total, Dorman's airbag Clocksprings feature secure direct fit connectors that are pre-attached, eliminating the need for wire splicing. Additionally, our airbag Clocksprings are equally tested to ensure a proper fit every time. Reduce repair cost and installation time with Dorman's Center Console Hinge Repair Kit, now available for a wide variety of Toyota Corolla and Matrix models from 2008 to 2003. Now you can replace just the failed hinge instead of the entire center dash console assembly, saving time, money, and labor. To assist with installation, Dorman's Direct Replacement Kit includes all necessary hardware for a complete center dash console hinge repair. Dorman now offers a new direct replacement vapor canister vent solenoid for popular Chevy and GMC applications from 2015 to 2007. The vapor canister vent solenoid directs the flow of fuel vapor through the evap system and seals the vapor canister during leak detection cycles. Currently, Dorman offers over 40 vapor canister vent solenoid SKUs, providing coverage for today's most in-demand vehicles. Dorman's exclusive diesel emissions fluid heater, also known as the DEF heater, is a direct replacement for popular Ford Super Duty F350, F450, and F550 truck applications from 2015 to 2011. Sold as a complete kit, Dorman's DEF heater includes mounting hardware and all necessary components for a complete and convenient repair. Also available this month, Ford brake light high mount, GM fuel injection harness, Dodge push rod gasket, over 100 new control arms, over 25 new water outlets, and 12 GM window switches.